Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's home cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Penang Hokkien Mee or prawn noodle soup. Penang Hokkien Mee is one of the most popular street food that you can find in Penang, Malaysia, and also in different parts of Malaysia. This noodle soup is served throughout the day by street vendors, and also you can find them in shopping mall, in the food court, and some of the most popular Malaysian restaurants overseas. So traditionally this noodle soup is cooked with pork bone or pork ribs and served with trimmed pork meat, but today I'm using chicken bones and chicken breast meat due to my family prefer chicken rather than pork. So we have here in front of us 2 kilo of the chicken bones, 1 kilo of the prawns that's been shelled with the head and the shell. We're going to use it for the soup, and then the prawns meat that we're going to use for topping on top afterwards. And we have 1 kilo of chicken breast cut into big chunks. We're going to boil that and slice them up. 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn, about 200 grams of the raw sugar. We're going to use that to taste. You can put as much as you like to your taste. And then we have the shallots, about 5 shallots and 5 garlic, chop them up, and 2 cups of chili powder. I use the Baba brand chili powder, and about 3 to 6 tablespoons of water. We're going to make this into a chili paste, and salt to taste for the soup. And then we have the noodles. We have 1 kilo of the fresh yellow noodles. You can get this at the Asian supermarket, and with dry vermicelli, and about 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use coconut oil, and 500 grams of the bean sprout. And this is the fish cake. We're going to boil this and slice them up. Again, you can find all these items at the Asian supermarket. And about 8 eggs. We're going to slice them. If you do not have an egg slicer, you can just quarter the hard-boiled eggs when you serve on top. And then the fried shallots. So let's get started. So we're going to cook the prawn shell. So heat up the pan, and we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Put in the prawn head and all the shell, and we're going to fry them. Now you can see the prawn head and shell are all cooked. It changes color to bright orange. So we can switch off the heat. The pot of water is also boiled. So now we're going to put in the prawn shell into the pot. And we're going to add in the chicken bone. And if you are using pork bone, you can put in your pork bone now, or your pork ribs. Okay, I'm using chicken for this recipe. Leave that to boil. Add in the peppercorn. So just give it a stir and let it boil and simmer on medium heat. And wait 20 minutes to stir. So now we're going to make the chili paste. So firstly, we're going to add in the shallots into the mini food processor. Put in about a tablespoon of water. Now we're going to add in the chili powder. Water. We're going to add it powder a little bit at a time and keep blending them in. So now the chili paste is all being blended in. So in a pan, heat up on high, and we're going to add in about 6 tablespoons of the cooking oil. I'm using coconut oil, so you can use whatever oils you're using at home. Add in the chili paste. if you like spicy food, you can stir fry in meat or even vegetables. Don't forget to check on your soup and just give it a quick stir every 20 minutes. So it's all boiling well, so you need to let it simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours. So now the soup is all cooked. You can see the stock is all cloudy and all the chicken are falling apart. So we're going to switch off the heat and sieve the soup. So now we're just pouring the soup that's being sieved back into the stock pot, and we're going to heat up the pot and let the soup boil again. And then we're going to add in 1/4 of the chili paste that we have fried, and we're going to season with salt and the raw sugar to taste. So now we're going to put 1/4 of the chili paste that we have fried earlier. We're going to put it into the soup. If you want it more hot, you can add more, or when you are serving, you can add chili paste on the side. So now the soup is boiled. We're just going to season lower to medium, and going to season with salt. Just going to put 1.5 teaspoon of salt to start with, and about 100 grams of the raw sugar, and we're just going to let it melt it, and then we'll boil again, and we'll see whether we need more of the salt and sugar to taste. And then we're going to lower the heat to low. So we're just going to taste and see whether we need more salt or sugar. Just another tablespoon, another teaspoon of salt. It's about 150 grams of the raw sugar. Taste the soup again and see whether we need more sugar or salt. But now it's just nice. We're just gonna let it boil and then put it on low heat simmer while we cook the chicken and the prawns and get all the noodles ready. So we're gonna boil a pot with hot water. Boil the water, and once it's boiled, we're going to add in the cook the chicken and then the prawns. So now it's boiled, we're going to add in the chicken and cook all the chicken breasts. So now the chicken is all cooked. We're going to drain out the water, and we're going to carry on cooking the prawns. Then we're going to slice up the chicken breast and slice up the prawns. So now the prawns is cooked. It should all change color to pink color, so we can switch off. We're going to drain. So now we're going to put hot boiling water into the fish cake and let it soak while we cut up the chicken breast and the prawns. So the chicken breast, we're just going to slice them up thinly. So if you're not using chicken, like I said before, you use the pork trim, pork meat, and you slice them thinly as well. Now we're going to slice the prawns into half. So we're going to keep slicing the prawns to half until it's all finished. So now we're going to slice the fish cake thinly as well. So now with boiling water from the jug, we're just going to pour the hot boiling water into here and into the other noodle as well. And we're just going to... So we're going to add hot water into the rice vermicelli as well as the bean sprout. We're just going to blanch it very fast. Soak it. Okay, the bean sprout can come out now. So here it goes. This is our Penang Hokkien Mee or prawn noodle soup. So to serve, we just get a bowl and we just gonna put your noodles in. Just put some noodles on your bowl. Some rice vermicelli if you like them, or you can just have by itself. Have the bean sprout. I don't have the water spinach. It's not in season in New Zealand at this time of the year, but if you have water spinach, you can do that as well. And then we're just going to top up with some chicken. And then some prawns. The rice cake. So if you don't like the rice cake, you can just leave it out. And then we're going to have some egg slice, or we can quarter. If you don't have an egg slicer, just quarter the egg into quarters. Okay, so just going to put the egg here. So here you go. That's that. And then we just put the soup on top. We're going to put the soup on top. And then you're going to put some of the fried shallot on top. And then you can put your chilli on your spoon aside. So here you go, here's your Penang Hokkien Mee. So hope you enjoyed tonight's cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I look forward to see you again next time.